Have you ever dreamt of having a limitless pill like in the movie Bradley Cooper acts? A pill to limitless power, but here at the Reality Hack, I want to share with you all the secrets of how to become limitless, infinite and free from all limitations by tapping into your unlimited source of inspiration, power and internal motivation. To become truly limitless with no side effects like that which is produced by the pill in the movie. It's legal, no worries. No pills, but I will teach you to realize the power hidden in your own being. If you have been living your life every year the same way like the last year, know that you are stagnating yourself to ego-based limitations of yourself, which you have to break free in order to experience new things and what your heart truly desires, to move beyond the fear-based thinking. Have you ever seen those movies where you could tap into your superpowers of human mind and body? Limitless, Lucy, Transcendence, Doctor Strange are few movies which showcase accessing superhuman capabilities and understanding reality.
You know how they say that we can only access 20% of our brain? This lets you access all of it. They've had clinical trials and it's FDA approved.
All right, just out of curiosity, and that's all. I was blind, but now I see. I now had cultural appetites.
Since when do you speak Italian?
I finished my book in 4 days. I'd like to renegotiate my advance. Math became useful.
From 12,000 to 2.3 million in 10 days.
I'm baffled by this guy. So, Eddie Mora, you do know you're a freak. What's your secret?
Medication.
As you can see in this scene of the movie where Eddie, the character who takes the pill to achieve supermental capabilities by accessing more of his hidden brain potential, he's able to achieve lot more than he used to. He had no inspiration to life before. Instead of medication, meditation also gives the same result in natural course of time, without any bad effects like which is produced by the substance.
Your powers are a gift from God or whoever the hell wrote your life script. I'll open up a line of credit for you. You'll be wanting a few toys.
How many of us ever know what it is to become the perfect version of ourselves? What's the asking price?
12.5.
I'll take it. Everything I have, I want to share with you.
The reality you live in is one of many. Once you're able to unlock yourself, you can see reality from several different perspectives. You start getting artistic insight to life. What was once tough, hard and boring becomes playful, fun and amazing. You truly start to live moment to moment in life instead of waiting for tomorrow.
You think you know how the world works? What if I told you the reality you know is one of many?
This doesn't make any sense.
Not everything does. Not everything has to.
Sometimes to build something new, you have to demolish or break the old. There is a Chinese proverb which talks about, I quote, "Always keep your cup half empty," meaning, most of us, we tend to think we know everything, which only limits us to learn and experience more.
If we choose to collapse one reality, the other will be forced into existence.
You cannot possibly begin to understand what you're about to witness.
There are obstacles in life every now and then, which we have to learn and overcome. Same way, within us, there are barriers which prevent us from seeing the bigger picture of the reality we live in. If you know every single person on this planet sees this world differently from their own point of view, ultimately we have to get to a point where we transcend all limitations from within and go beyond, which is transcendent and singular.
The path to building superintelligence requires us to unlock the most fundamental secrets of the universe. Some scientists refer to this as the singularity.
Professor?
I call it transcendence.
Through the mystic arts, we harness energy and shape reality. We travel great distances in an instant.
How do I get from here to there?
How did you become a doctor?
Study and practice, years of it.
Within our own being, there are different energy centers which help you access different states of mind, and being aware of these energies can help us surpass to the highest stage of evolution, or what I would like to call as cosmic mind or the cosmic consciousness. Here, I provide you all the necessary information to surpass each hurdle to your highest evolution.
There's a strength to him. But is he ready? Be careful which path you travel down, Strange. Stronger men than you have lost their way. I can't do this. There is no other way.
I've spent so many years peering through time, looking for you.
This path which you are about to unravel on this channel won't be easy. Nothing good ever comes easy, and we all know it. But since I have walked through the path after years of experience, I can guide you and cut the time frame, help you reach the destination faster. But you also have to go within your own being to unravel the mysteries ultimately. Start to question yourself and the reality you live in. Is this all? Is life all about merry sensual pleasure? Eat, sleep, work, live and die? Is this all it? Or do you want more? You can move from ego-based thinking to more spirit-based living. You have the power to change your reality. Changing the world you live in starts by changing yourself.
It is estimated most human beings only use 10% of their brain's capacity. Imagine if we could access 100%.
All this knowledge, you can unlock secrets that go beyond our universe.